బీజేపీ సభ్యులపై ఎంపీ కేవీపీ సభా హక్కుల ఉల్లంఘన నోటీసు ఇచ్చారు. శుక్రవారం సభలో బిల్లును అడ్డుకోవడం హక్కుల ఉల్లంఘనే అన్న ఆయన కుట్రపూరితంగా సభను అడ్డుకుంటున్నారని ఆరోపించారు. బాధ్యులపై చర్యలు తీసుకోవాలని కోరారు. దీనికి సంబంధించిన మరిన్ని వివరాలు మా ప్రతినిధి ప్రసాద్ అందిస్తారు. ప్రసాద్, చెప్పండి, కేవీపీ నోటీసుకు సంబంధించిన డీటెయిల్స్ ఏంటి?
గత శుక్రవారం నాడు డాక్టర్ కేవీపీ రామచంద్రరావు ప్రవేశపెట్టినటువంటి ప్రైవేట్ మెంబర్ బిల్లును ఏదో ఒక సాగుతో కావాలనే రూలింగ్ బీజేపీ సభ్యులంతా కూడా అడ్డుకోవడం జరిగిందని, తన ఒక సభ్యుడిగా తనకున్నటువంటి హక్కులకు ఉల్లంఘన జరిగింది, భంగం కలిగింది అన్న అంశాన్ని దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని ఈ సభా హక్కుల ఉల్లంఘన నోటీసును సభా అధ్యక్షుడికి ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. దానికి సంబంధించి మొత్తం రూలింగ్ బీజేపీ చెందినటువంటి 14 మంది సభ్యులకు, హర్సిమ్రత్ కౌర్తో సహా మొత్తం మిగిలిన 14 మంది సభ్యులకు వ్యతిరేకంగా ఈ సభా ఉల్లంఘన నోటీసును ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. దీనికి సంబంధించి సభాధ్యక్షుడు నిర్ణయం తీసుకోవటం, ఆ తర్వాత వీటిని ప్రివిలేజ్ కమిషన్ కి రిఫర్ చేస్తారా లేకపోతే సభాధ్యక్షుడిగా ఏదైనా నిర్ణయం తీసుకుంటారా అన్నది వేచి చూడాల్సి ఉంది. మొత్తానికి ఈ ప్రైవేట్ మెంబర్ బిల్లును అడ్డుకోవటం అన్నది తన హక్కులకు భంగం కలిగిందన్న అంశాన్ని దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని ఈ నోటీసు ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది.
రైట్, థ్యాంక్ యూ ప్రసాద్.
One second. No, she was standing up first. I will listen to them and then come to you. Yeah. Yeah.
Sir,
Yes,
sir,
Kanimudi ji, tell me.
A 4-year-old child has been raped yesterday in Delhi, sir.
No, you are given notice.
No, I just want discussion in the house. I want to raise it here.
Give notice. Give notice. No,
Sir,
no, no.
this is a very, very important.
Give notice.
Sir,
Now, Jaya Bachchan, what is that you want to say?
Atrocities to other people. When this happens to a girl child, how can you give notice to something like this? It's such an insensitive thing to do. सर, हम लोग ये तो गलत बात है सर. ये कोई चीज है कि नोटिस देने वाली बात?
Why 0 hour notice देना था?
No sir. What is this?
Why?
It's a matter of urgency.
No.
A 4-year-old girl, sir. How is that? I mean, what
No,
are
in any-
we
yes.
doing? Where are we going, sir? We are talking about all other atrocities. We don't ever discuss.
No.
Sir, what is this?
You
Where
co-
is the...
No, see, any subject can be discussed. You could have have you given a 0 hour notice?
Sir, when are we going to... I have given...
No, पहले इनके सुन लीजिए. You see, if all of you stand up and shout, I can't understand. Now, if all of you stand up and shout, I am not able to understand. First, no, then all of you sit down. All of you sit down. Now, please sit down. Please sit down. What are you shouting? Now, please sit down. Baba, you sit down. Let me listen to listen to Kanimudi. Unless you sit down, you please sit down. That is what I am saying. Now, I called her. No, I don't want recommendation. I already called. Now, I don't want. Listen. I don't want any recommendation. I had already asked, called her, Kanimudi. Now sit down. Kanimudi ji, I only asked her whether a notice is given. I want to know that, whether there is a notice is given. Now, yes, no, you sit down. All of you sit down. No, you raised a subject. And unless you say, I don't know the subject, let me say, I asked you, have you given a notice? Your duty is to say yes or no. And yes, if no, if it is very important, you should tell me it is important, you want to raise.
Yes,
I will.
that's exactly what I'm saying.
Yeah, that is what you have done. Then why all of you, all others shout? Sit down.
It's a very
Jaya
important
Bachchan,
issue.
sit down,
They
please.
want to support it, sir.
Jaya Bachchan, sit down.
Because
Now, you sit down.
Sir, she's
No,
not
I am.
raising it.
I don't want your request. I already allowed her. Sit down. Sit down, sit down. No, I am not allowing you. I am not allowing you now. Sit down. No, this see. Oh, sit down. That let me deal with this. I will come to you. Sit down, I will come to you. Sit down, I will come to you. Sit down. No, see, I want to tell you, when I have already allowed a member to speak, see, others should not interfere. Either for or favor. I have already allowed Kanimozhi. And then others should not interfere to create confusion. What is your point? Tell me. Jaya Bachchan, sit down. No, you should not stand. I am telling you. You sit down.
So she's
Yeah, now tell. I will allow her if she wants, but why should she stand?
So she's also associating
No.
in the issue, sir.
Pardon?
She's also raising.
No, then you sit down, Jaya Bachchan. Then you, no, Kanimozhi sit down.
Speak, sir.
What are you talking? Then Kanimozhi sit down,
No,
Jaya
I'll
Bachchan.
speak, sir. Then she can associate.
What are you saying? You both can raise at the
No,
same.
no, no. I'm just saying that she's associating.
No, I said I will allow her later.
Okay, sir.
No, that's what I'm saying.
Okay, sir.
That is why. No, sit down. That is, sit down. That is why I want to listen to it properly. It is, I understood it is some important subject. That's why you want to listen it properly. That's why you want others to take their seat. I also said Jaya Bachchan, I allow her after Kanimozhi. Okay. She should not stand up. That's all what I'm saying.
Thank you, sir. Sir,
No, you sit down. No. I told you I'll call you later. Sit down. Now what is Kanimozhi your
sir,
point?
a 4-year-old
Pardon?
child
Yeah.
has been raped yesterday.
4-year-old child, my
Yes.
God.
And she's in the hospital. And she's injured, and the child was bleeding. The mother went and tried to stop it.
Where?
In a slum
Where?
in Delhi, sir. In Delhi. And this is not the only incident which is happening in this country. It's happening in so many places, and still, but child abuse and child rape.
My God.
We are not very sensitive to it, and I think the government has to take this
Yes,
as a
certainly.
very, very serious issue, and I think
I
we
agree.
need stricter laws, and we have to do something about
I
this.
agree, I
And
agree.
there must be more awareness about this.
I agree.
And
No,
this
no,
is
not
not a
only that.
stray incident.
Yeah. Very, very stringent action should be taken.
The
What-
future
I'll
of
allow
this-
you. Sit down.
the child will be scarred for her entire
Yeah, yeah.
life, emotionally also.
My God. So,
Thank you, sir.
Srimati Jaya Bachchan. Srimati Jaya Bachchan.
Sir, thank you. Sir, this is not the first instance. इसके पहले भी 4 साल की लड़कियों का बहुत जगह बलात्कार हुआ है. Sir, this is terrible. I have been asking for a discussion on child protection and this whole women's issue. We have never discussed it. I have given many times notice. All of us have. And we have never ever brought it and discussed it. We discuss on all kinds of atrocities, but never against women. And this is a child, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
This
Please,
is absolutely...
you, regarding discussion, anyhow you have to give notice. You give notice. I will
Sir,
also convey the feeling to the
with,
chairman.
I beg your pardon, sir. I have given notice not only in the last session, the session before that, the session before that. I have been giving notice. Now I have given up.
No, no, don't give up. Don't give up. Two things.
Whenever we give a notice, it never comes.
No, no. You see,
I
on women,
need a discussion.
On women and child issues, see, the demand is to have a discussion, and the honourable member says she has given number of times notice. I think government will also agree to that. I will convey your feeling to chairman. We can have a discussion on it. Then, second point, I would like to say, see, ensure that very stringent, strong action is taken against the culprit regarding this incident, the raping of a child. And you please
निश्चित तौर से इस तरह के
Yeah, please
अमानवीय,
ensure
इस
that
तरह
strong
के
action is
जघन्य
there.
अपराधों की हम कड़े शब्दों में निंदा भी करते हैं और
Yeah.
आपको हम आश्वस्त करना चाहते हैं कि सरकार इस पे कड़े से कड़े कानूनी प्रावधानों के तहत
Yeah.
कार्रवाई करेगी.
Yeah. So, kindly, inform the House also what action is taken. Yeah, please inform the House what action is taken, because it's very serious. Now, you, Jayaji, I am requesting you give notice again regarding this issue. And I am sure.
I will bring back the copy of.
No, that is not needed. No, that is all. What is over is over. I am talking out. Give
Sir,
fresh
यही तो
notice.
problem है. What
No,
is
no.
over is the problem.
No, you listen to
This
me.
is the problem, sir.
No, listen, no.
Minister ने कह दिया कि हम तहकीकात करेंगे.
No, listen,
आप
listen.
तहकीकात करते रहिए.
अरे सुनिए.
कार्रवाई
See,
क्या करेंगे?
no,
मैं
no.
जानना चाहती हूँ आप क्या कार्रवाई करेंगे?
No, that's not. See, that's okay. Now, yes, Subramanian. Now,
Right.
listen. No,
जब आप
Jayaji, my advice to you is, see, I told you allow. Sit down. No, sit down. I told you I will allow. Ali Khan, you are behaving too much. I am telling you. Every day you are doing this. I told him I will allow. No, you sit down. You sit down. This is not the way. This Muhammad Ali Khan, I have noted a number of times, misbehaving, I am telling you, I will have to name you. Sit down. I have already told Ramendra Rao, I will allow him. So sit down. But before that, I told Subramanian Swamy, I have to go by what I said. Now, Jayaji, my advice to you is, see, your request or demand for a discussion is very, very genuine. Very. I also fully agree with you. But there is a procedure. That's all what I said. For such a discussion, listen. Don't. Such a discussion, you have to give a notice. Then BSc chairman has to admit it. BSc will consider and allow time. There is a procedure. Please give a notice. Now see Subramanian Swamy. I will allow.
Sit down.
After Subramanian Swamy, I will allow.
Yes.
On this subject, on the Subramanian Swamy, wait. Yes. Yeah, please. Yeah.
Matter.
Yeah.
I want to say,
Please.
even she has given notice, you can so moto decide to have a discussion.
I already said in the house. Now, Najmaji, I already said in the house. And I asked the government. Government also said no objection. That's why I said give notice. Anyhow, a notice is needed. That is all what I said. Now, Subramanian Swamy, what is your point?
Mr. Deputy Chairman, the point is that I have been asking and giving notices for a discussion on a matter which is being loosely talked about in the public, which is of great national importance.
What is the subject?
And that is the unanswered questions in
No.
Mahatma Gandhi.
Your notice is admitted. It is there.
Yes.
It is admitted. Sit down.
So let me just say one
No.
point.
Since it is admitted in 0 hour, you cannot say now.
So then
No, I will call you. Sit down. 0 hour is admitted. Ramendra Rao.
Sir, Honorable Sir, I have given a notice of breach of privilege under Rule 187 and 188 of Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business.
No, when did you give notice?
Sir, my prayer, sir, the action of Sri Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi,
No.
MOS Parliamentary Affairs,
Okay.
by permitting
No, listen.
to go to the house, to go to the
Okay, now you listen to me. It is with me.
committed a
Yes,
breach of
I know.
privilege of the house.
Now listen to me.
On its members.
Now
Sir, you must come to
now
my
you listen,
rescue.
yes. Now-
And you must come to my
Now
rescue.
you please
sir.
listen to me.
Sir,
Your notice is with me.
sir,
It will be examined by the Honorable Chairman.
Sir.
And the result will be intimated to you.
Sir.
Sit down. Yes, it is there. Now 0 hour, Srimati Viplava Thakur. What is your problem?
प्रोजेक्ट जो तेलंगाना में है, किसानों की जमीन जबरदस्ती तेलंगाना सरकार जो जबरदस्ती हाजिर करके 1 महीने से वहां से
I will give a notice.
किसान
I will give a notice.
एजुटेशन
I will give a notice.
गवर्नमेंट जो है जबरदस्ती उनकी जमीन
I will give a notice.
कर रही है। तो मेरा ये मुतालिबा है कि उनके पे कल
Let him give notice.
जो है पुलिस लाठीचार्ज
No, you give notice.
के ऊपर
Muhammad Ali Khan.
नोटिस दिया हूं सर, नोटिस है मेरा।
Under what rule? 0 hour or some other?
0 वर्ष में सर, 0 वर्ष में है।
0 hour है तो it is not in the list today. You can approach the Honorable Chairman. Approach the Honorable Chairman for tomorrow. You approach. Now Srimati Viplava Thakur.
Notice is before you.
Srimati Viplava Thakur.
My notice is before you.
Srimati Viplava Thakur.
My notice is before
Nothing
you.
else will. You meet the chairman. You meet honorable chairman. No, not allowed. No, not allowed. You meet honorable chairman. You meet honorable chairman. Not allowed. Go back to your seat. Go back to your seat. What are you doing? I told you. See, please. You please. You can. अरे सुनिए, आप सुनिए, आप मेरा दोस्त है, आप जो अरे सुनिए, आप सुनिए, इसलिए मैं बोलते हैं ये वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मुद्दा है, इसलिए आप चेयरमैन को जाकर मिलिए, एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिए। श्रीमती विप्लव ठाकुर।
माननीय उपाध्यक्ष जी, शुक्रिया, आपने मुझे 0 आवर में उठाने का मौका दिया। जैसे अभी इतनी बड़ी बात हो गई है कि महिला हो, बच्ची हो, इस शहर में, इस कंट्री में कोई भी सेफ नहीं है। आज जो मैं मुद्दा उठाना चाह रही हूँ, ये भी महिलाओं की डिग्निटी, उनकी पर्सनैलिटी और उसके बारे में। जितनी ये एडवर्टाइजिंग एजेंसीज हैं, जो कि चाहे वो फेयर एंड लवली है, चाहे पॉन्ड्स है, कोई भी है, आज वो रंग भेद की नीति को इतना आगे लेके जा रही है। हर करीम जो कह रही है ये लगाओ, आप गोरे हो जाओगे, आप फेयर हो जाओगे, ये हमारे औरतों के अंदर हीन भाव पैदा कर रही है। इनको जो है बिल्कुल बंद किया जाना चाहिए। इससे एक तरह का एक कंपटीशन आ रहा है। मैं एक दुकान पे गई, एक औरत जो है वो फेयर एंड लवली की क्रीम मांग रही है कि शायद मैं भी सुंदर लग सकूं, और जब उसने उसकी कीमत पूछी वो उसके बस में नहीं था और वो मायूस होके चली गई। क्या हो रहा है हमारे देश में? कहाँ गई वो हमारी संस्कृति, कहाँ गई वो हमारी प्रथाएं, जहां पे औरत को औरत समझा जाता था, उसकी एक मूर्ति नहीं माना जाता था। आज हर जगह एक कंपटीशन चला हुआ है, हर जगह इस बात को लेके हम लोग एजेंसीज के ऊपर एजेंसीज जो है आ रही हैं अपने प्रोडक्ट बदलने के लिए, बेचने के लिए। यहाँ ये बात आई थी कि जो चीज बेची जाती है पहले उसका प्रयोग होना चाहिए। मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ कि जो लोग ये एडवर्टाइजिंग करते हैं वो कितना प्रयोग करते हैं, कितने गोरे हो गए हैं, कितने सुंदर हो गए हैं। इन एजेंसीज को बंद करना चाहिए। तो मैं इसलिए ये बात आपके सामने ला रही हूं कि मुझे पता है कि औरत का दर्द क्या होता है, वो क्या महसूस करती है जब वो समझती है कि मेरी शादी इसलिए नहीं हो रही।